Here, we showcase 3 effects of the balcony solar bracket system after installation. Through the demonstrated scene animations, you can clearly see that our products are suitable for various environments. The brackets from Chiko not only ensure the efficient operation of solar systems, but also place great importance on enhancing overall aesthetics, allowing them to blend perfectly with the natural environment and architecture. If you have any questions about our products or would like to view the complete installation animation for more detailed information, please feel free to contact us. We are happy to provide you with professional consultation and support to help you find the most suitable photovoltaic bracket solutions.